Hi guys, it's Down Under Monkey. Let's do stock lock Sunday. Picked up this little thing a while ago when the light decides to cooperate. It is a Kasp. It's a 6-pin lock, aluminium body. Beautiful lock, very light. There's your keyway there. Bit haggardy looking. And there's the bitting. So she's a bit all over the place. Anyway, I thought I would give this one a go. I have not successfully picked this yet, nor have I spent much time on it. So let's see if we can't get the open tonight. Or today, depending where you are in your neck of the world. Okay, now this is a slightly tight keyway, so I can't even pick from the bottom. I've got to pick from the ledge on the right hand side, right there. So I'm going to use this pick and probably that pick too. Let's have a crack. See what we can't do. Let me get my hands out of the way. I got this lock in a trade a little while ago, and as I said, haven't put too much time into it, but it feels like a beautiful lock. Well, from what I can feel, can't really feel a hell of a lot, to be quite honest. Let's try the hook. Okay, so we're all the way down the back. What are we looking at here? Pin 2. Pin 3, 4, 5, 6 seem okay. Back up to the top. Nah, that's not going to work. Really difficult to determine what's binding and what's just hitting on the ledge in there. All right. One is still springy. So what's holding me up? Interesting little pick, this one. Sorry, my conversation is very poor at the moment. I'm just trying to concentrate. This is a tricky little bugger. Let's switch to bottom of the keyway. No, you don't fit. It kind of fits. Don't stress about the band-aids you see on my fingers. You should see the other guy. No, I was doing some drainage at my house and digging some holes, and it was in a really awkward spot right next to the brick wall, and as I shoved the shovel into the ground, my finger brushed the wall. I made a quick mess of it because the bricks are very, very rough on the front of my house. Wow, this is a tricky little keyway. Okay, so that's not bad. Let's try one again. Oh my goodness. Just overset one. Okay, that felt good. And there we go. Open. Kasp. That was a tricky little keyway. I do apologise for the length of the video. Let's see what's in this that made it as tricky as it was. Take out those bits. I'll just move this down, give you a better view. Right, it's got one of these tiny little cores. That really is beautiful. That's anodised inside and out, that gold colour. Really nice. Ball bearing locking, so it cannot be shimmed. Now, use the back of one of my picks. I should be able to get this little clip off. You know what? Let's not do that. Let's try these. Come on. I don't want this to be a 20-minute video of me fighting the bloody thing. Oh, nearly. Come on. Bloody C-clip. There we go. Got it. It looks nice and greasy too. Brand spanking new. Now, I did feel some sort of spool in there. No, sorry, not spool. Serrated. So I am going to shim it using one of these wonderful followers that Moving Picker printed for me. Oh, not that one. That doesn't fit. Okay. Oh my goodness. I have just lost all my followers. Sorry, let's try this one. Alright, there we go. Interesting. There's one silver pin at the front. Might also act as a drill protection if it's steel. Oops, it was serrated, as are the rest except for the very, very short ones. It's difficult to get serrations on short pins. These are a strange looking key pin too. They have rounded edges as opposed to, come on light, pay attention. They have rounded ends on them instead of the normal pointy ends, I suppose you'd call them. Oh no, I just wrecked it. That's just not happening today. I think that one went there. I think that one went there. I was only trying to get a magnet to check that first pin, but it's not steel, it's just a strange colour. Alright, what was up the top? Let's have a look. Standard M1. Where'd you go now? And we have a little spool in 2. And we have what looks like an anti-bump pin in 3. Dump those springs now. Spin this around. Go to the back. And we have a spool in 6. And a spool in 5. And a spool in 4. Interesting. So you'll see in a second. Pin 3 looks like an anti-bump pin. The driver. You have a look at that one just there. Looks like an anti-bump pin. And then a couple of spools, standard, and then some serrated down the bottom. There you go. That's the Kasp block. Sorry about the length of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great night. See you next time.